कुछ रिश्ते ऐसे होते हैं. A lightning talk by Pratishtha Deveshwar, ICANDLY 2019 fellow.
Our last speaker for today, for this panel, is Pratishtha, and her talk is named in her style, fully Bollywood, कुछ रिश्ते ऐसे होते हैं.
Thank you. कुछ रिश्ते ऐसे होते हैं जो हम समझते नहीं, कुछ रिश्ते जो हम समझना नहीं चाहते, कुछ रिश्ते जिनकी कोई दीवार नहीं होती, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं होती, सिर्फ एहसास होता है. ऐसे रिश्ते जो दिल के रिश्ते होते हैं, मोहब्बत के रिश्ते होते हैं, प्यार के रिश्ते होते हैं. टन 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 टन. Do we recognize which movie is this dialogue from? Yes, Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. Any Shah Rukh Khan fans in here? Make some noise. No? Okay, I am. Okay, so माहौल थोड़ा romantic हो गया ने? But that is the point of my talk today. I am talking about disability and romance. Yes, प्यार और विकलांगता. These are two words that we do not take in the same breath very often because of the various stereotypes that are attached to love and disability. But fret not. You have a friend right here who is going to bust a couple of these myths in the next 5 minutes very quickly. The first one being, people with disabilities are hard to love. I remember writing an article in which I mentioned having a boyfriend. And I was rather baffled when I was flooded with comments like, and I quote, "We salute your boyfriend. He is a great man to have fallen in love with you." Well, so this is your shortcut to greatness. Find a disabled woman, fall in love with her, and you will be called quote unquote great. Well, falling in love is great, but there is nothing extra great about falling in love with a person with disability. It is absurd to even say this, but my boyfriend did not start dating me out of sympathy. He did so because, well, I am amazing, and so is Kavya and Sri Lekha and Nidhi and all of us. It is important that as a society we realize that people with disabilities are just as capable of love and romance like everyone else. मैं तो romantic हूँ because #love is love. It does not care about low vision, about a broken limb, or about a broken spine. It is a connection of two hearts, and hearts are not disabled, are they? Now, this is a weird question to ask, but how many of you think that I am pretty? Raise your hands. All of those who are not raising hands, I'm looking at you. Thank you for that forcefully extracted compliment. But, so congratulations, we just broke a stereotype right here because out of this room, this is a rather unpopular opinion. Because the society perceives people with disabilities as ugly. I will give you a very recent example. I met a lady and she said to me, "तुम ना जितना मर्जी मेकअप लगा लो, जितने मर्जी सुंदर सुंदर कपड़े पहन लो, बट जब व्हीलचेयर पे बैठोगी ना, तो अच्छी नहीं लगोगी. अगर खड़ी हो पाती तुम तो और अच्छी दिखती." And I gave her a smile listening to this comment for the umpteenth time. And this time I decided to reply. I said, "Auntie, अगर मैं खड़ी हो भी जाती, तो आप कहते कि प्रतिष्ठा तू थोड़ी गोरी होती ना, तो और सुंदर दिखती. तो थोड़ी पतली होती तो कमाल लगती, और तेरे बाल लंबे होते ना तो ऐश्वर्या राय लगती तू." And the list is endless. So aunties and uncles, boys and girls, it's time we realize. And I want you all to imagine this in bold, dark, capital letters, that nobody is perfect. Let that sink in. Accept it. Embrace it. Beauty exists in all shapes, shades, sizes, and forms. Beauty exists in imperfection. We are all beautiful. You are all beautiful. You know, when someone looks at me, they don't look at me per se. They completely ignore my gorgeous smile. They don't want to know about my educational achievements, and they don't care about my talents. When they look at me, they just look at my wheelchair, because for them, my wheelchair is me and I am my wheelchair. It is important that we notice the order of words in the term person with disability closely. In this term, the word person comes before the word disability. It is person with disability. So we must accept and acknowledge that a person with disability is a person first and disabled second. And when you do that, तो सारे stereotypes, myths, assumptions खुद ब खुद टूट जाएंगे और क्या रह जाएगा? इंसानियत. And we will all be in a world where we can equally lead, grow and change. Thank you.
This talk was a part of Rising Flames event, Lead, Grow, Change, September 20th, 2019, New Delhi.